Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at Valutrades, a professional online trading broker that's built a strong reputation for reliability, transparency, and trader-focused services. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Valutrades is a highly professional, trader-focused online broker that has earned a reputation for reliability, transparency, and efficiency in the Forex and CFD markets. Headquartered in London, the broker is designed to meet the needs of both new traders taking their first steps and experienced traders seeking advanced tools, fast execution, and competitive trading conditions. The broker emphasizes a client-first approach, providing secure account management, responsive customer support, and a trading environment built on trust and integrity. The broker offers flexible account options and a trading experience designed to suit a wide range of strategies, from casual trading to active, high-volume approaches. With a strong commitment to transparency and risk management, Valutrades ensures that clients can trade confidently, knowing that their funds are protected and their trades are executed with precision. Over the years, the broker has built a solid reputation for combining professional-grade trading conditions with a user-focused approach, making it an attractive choice for traders who value reliability, efficiency, and long-term growth in the markets. Valutrades gives traders access to a focused selection of global financial markets directly from one trading account. Its core offering includes Forex trading, letting you speculate on more than 40 major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, the world's most liquid market. You can also trade commodities such as gold, silver, and oil, which are popular for diversification and hedging strategies. In addition, the broker offers equity index CFDs, allowing you to take positions on major stock indices like the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and European markets without owning the underlying assets. All of these instruments are available on the popular MetaTrader platforms, complete with detailed contract specifications including spreads, contract size, and swap rates to help you plan your trades effectively. Valutrades operates under strong regulation and compliance standards designed to protect traders and ensure transparency. Valutrades Limited is authorized and regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, one of the most respected financial regulators globally, which requires strict rules around capital adequacy, fair trading practices, and client fund protection. Client funds are held in segregated accounts, separate from company funds, and eligible UK clients may be covered by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. Valutrades also operates an entity regulated by the Seychelles Financial Services Authority to serve international clients. Across its operations, the broker applies security measures such as negative balance protection and encrypted client systems to help maintain a safe and secure trading environment. Valutrades offers bonuses and promotions, however they vary depending on your region, as different regulatory requirements apply in different countries. Traders in selected regions such as Malaysia and Vietnam may be eligible for sign-up or promotional bonuses, while clients in other regions may not have access to bonus incentives. These region-specific offers are designed to comply with local regulations and may come with specific terms and conditions. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, traders should always check the Valutrades website or their client area to see which promotions are available in their country. However, the broker does feature a robust affiliate and referral program that serves as its main promotional offering. Through this program, clients can earn rebates and performance-based bonuses by referring other traders to Valutrades. Participants may receive up to $16 per lot traded daily by referrals, depending on account types and trading volume, with rebates credited automatically and tools to track earnings in real time. The broker provides traders with access to the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, both of which are widely respected in the trading world for their powerful features and flexibility. MetaTrader 4 is a tried and trusted platform that's especially popular with Forex traders, offering robust charting tools, technical indicators, and support for automated trading via expert advisors. MetaTrader 5 builds on that with even more advanced capabilities, including additional timeframes, expanded analytical tools, and multi-asset support, making it suitable for traders who want deeper market analysis and broader trading opportunities. Valutrades gives traders full mobile trading access through the official MetaTrader 4 and 5 apps, so you can trade Forex, commodities, and CFDs directly from your smartphone or tablet. Mobile versions are available for both Android and iOS devices and can be downloaded from the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, or directly via the Valutrades website. Once installed, you can simply log in with your account details to manage your positions, view real-time charts, place orders, and monitor your portfolio on the go. The mobile apps bring the same powerful trading tools and features you expect on desktop, including live price feeds, technical indicators, and customizable layouts, giving you flexibility and control no matter where you are. Valutrades offers traders a couple of core account options designed to suit different trading styles and experience levels. First, there's the standard account, which features no commission fees and spreads built into the price, making it a good fit for beginners or casual traders who want a simpler cost structure. For more active or experienced traders, Valutrades provides an ECN account with raw spreads from as low as 0.0 pips, combined with a small commission per lot, ideal for scalping and high-volume strategies. Both live accounts support the popular MetaTrader platforms and can be opened in multiple base currencies. Additionally, Valutrades offers a free demo account that lets you practice trading in real market conditions without risking any real money. When you open a demo account, you are funded with virtual funds that you can use to test strategies, learn the trading platforms, and build confidence before trading live. It's a risk-free way to familiarize yourself with the broker's environment, tools, and you can customize things like account types, leverage, and even reset your demo balance as you refine your skills. Creating an account with Valutrades is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Create Account button. Next, you'll want to fill out and submit your personal information, such as your email address, country of residence, name, and create a password. After you have opened your Valutrades account, you will be redirected to the broker's client portal. Within their client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, view trading instruments, contact support, and much more. The next step would be to set up and create your preferred trading account type. Keep in mind that if you are opening a live account, you will need to submit and complete your account application in order to create a live account, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have created your preferred trading account, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Valutrades. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse through and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of drawing tools, chart types, and indicators that you can use to customize your charts according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the Valutrades Help Center to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Valutrades offers a wide range of deposit and withdrawal options designed to make funding your trading account as convenient as possible. You can fund your account via bank wire transfers, credit and debit cards, popular e-wallets like Skrill and Neteller, as well as various local payment methods and cryptocurrencies in certain regions, all accessible through the Valutrades client area. Deposits are typically instant and free, although bank transfers may take a few business days to arrive, and any third-party fees from banks or payment providers may apply. Withdrawals are processed through the same methods you've funded with and are generally handled with a short time frame, with the first 3 withdrawals per month free and a small fee applied to additional requests. Valutrades also has safeguards in place, like same-name verification to ensure security, meaning funds must be sent and received from accounts in the same name as your trading account. The broker offers a selection of educational support and learning material designed to help traders improve their skills and understanding of the markets. On their website and help center, you'll find beginner guides, how-to articles, and platform tutorials that cover the basics of Forex and CFD trading, from opening and managing positions to understanding key concepts like spreads and stop-loss orders. The broker also publishes a blog with market analysis, strategy tips, and trading insights, and maintains a YouTube presence with video tutorials on topics such as using MetaTrader 4 and 5, trading psychology, and technical tools. While the educational resources aren't as extensive or structured as dedicated online trading courses, they are useful for beginners and intermediate traders looking to build knowledge and confidence. Valutrades provides traders with ongoing market news and analysis tools designed to support informed decision-making. Through its website and client area, the broker shares daily market updates, commentary, and trading signals that highlight potential price movements and key levels across major instruments, helping traders spot opportunities in real time. While Valutrades doesn't have a dedicated global news hub like some larger brokers, it integrates economic calendars and analysis tools directly into its trading platform and client dashboard, giving users quick access to relevant market information as they trade. This combination of signals, analysis content, and embedded tools makes it easier for both beginners and experienced traders to stay updated on market trends without leaving the trading environment. Overall, Valutrades is a professional trading partner designed to give traders the tools, security, and flexibility they need to succeed. Fully regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, Valutrades ensures that your funds are kept safe in segregated accounts and that you're trading in a fully transparent and reliable environment. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader, this broker offers ECN-style pricing, ultra-tight spreads, low commissions, and allows you to trade efficiently and cost-effectively. You can access the world's most popular and powerful platforms on desktop, web, and mobile, giving you the freedom to monitor the markets and execute trades anytime, anywhere. Multiple account types, including standard and ECN accounts, lets you tailor your trading to your strategy, while access to a range of instruments from major, minor, and exotic Forex pairs to commodities and global indices ensures you can diversify your portfolio with ease. Valutrades also makes trading simple and convenient with fast, secure deposits and withdrawals, responsive customer support, a suite of trading tools, market analysis, and real-time signals to help you make informed decisions. Whether you want to scalp, day trade, or explore longer-term strategies, Valutrades equips you with the resources you need to trade with confidence. For traders who value reliability, competitive pricing, and professional-grade execution, Valutrades stands out as a top choice. It's a broker built with the trader in mind, offering the security, tools, and flexibility to help you take your trading to the next level. And that is our overview of Valutrades. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.